Here I got another package. This time it's from a different company. It's not eBay. This is from School Bus Cards. Get the shipping label off. I recommend purchasing some stuff off of there. They got like speakers, radios. Yeah, I ordered speakers from them. Hopefully I can get this open. This came like earlier than expected. I ordered these just on like Wednesday. Hopefully they came in good condition. Oh, yep. Looks like they're in their packaging. Just got a few radio engineering industry speakers. They're like magnetine. They're used on school buses, RV campers, and stuff. They're tiny. They're only 4 inches. Take a closer look at them. Some little cheap speakers, not the worst. So cute. I'm sure they sound really good. You see these typically on school buses. They got these 4-inch speakers like in the trends. Like these are the same ones that the one on TikTok, the one that cranked up the volume up all the way, that distorted. It's just a radio distorting. It's not the speakers. The reason why they don't have too much bass is these are not even mounted in a proper enclosure. In a proper port enclosure, these will sound really good. And what's the proper subwoofer? These are full range speakers. They don't need tweeters or anything like that. I'm gonna set my camera down. Here's the other speaker. These little 6-inch ones. Actually 5-inch. I think they were off. Look like they're the same size as the magnetine ones. Yeah, they're 5 inches, but they're still good speakers. They're no different than they're barely any different than the magnetine. They sound pretty. I remember when I went to like high school, the bus had these speakers and they had really good sound for the $10. Not bad at all. It's just a 4-inch dual cone speaker. It sounds much better than like a Sony like boombox speaker. The Sony ones aren't like horrible, but they're not as good as these. But these both are still entry level speakers. I like these. $55 well spent. I only paid like $11 in shipping. So yeah, I sell these for like $30 for like I think a single speaker, and it's not worth it. So I got these a lot cheaper. So yep, that's it. Thanks for watching.